Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to the English grammar class. So, today we are going to learn about pronouns. What are pronouns? Pronouns are the words that we use in place of nouns. We have already studied nouns, the naming words of a place, animal, person, or a thing. So, pronouns are the word that we use in place of nouns like I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. But why do we need them? So for that, let's read the sentences given. But before that, you can see a picture of a person. So who is he? Any guesses? Yes, he is a driver and his name is Mr. Mohanlal. Mr. Mohanlal is a bus driver. Mr. Mohanlal drives children to school every day. Mr. Mohanlal is a jovial man. Now what you are observing? We are seeing that we are repeating the noun, that is Mr. Mohanlal, in every sentence. Now let's use pronoun in these sentences. Instead of repeating Mr. Mohanlal, that is a noun, in every sentence, I replaced it with he. He, and what is he? He is a pronoun that we used for a man. So Mr. Mohanlal is a bus driver. He drives children to school every day. He is a jovial man. So this is the correct way of writing the sentences when a same noun is repeating or we are talking about a particular person in every sentence. Now let us see how to use these pronouns and where. So I is used for myself. Whenever we are talking about myself, I am telling about myself, then I am using I. He is used for a boy or a man. The pronoun he, we use it for a boy or a man. She is used for a girl or a woman. And it is used for birds, animals, and non-living things. For example, if I say I am a girl, my name is Preeti, I am a girl. So if when I am talking about myself, I am using I. Again, if I say Rahul is a boy, if I am talking about Rahul, who is a boy or a man, then I am using he. He is 5 years old. Radha is a girl. She is beautiful. So I am using she instead of Radha. It is used for birds, for all the birds, animals and non-living things. We use it. And there are some other pronouns also like me, him, her, it, us and you. The pronouns I, he, she, it are used for singular nouns only. And the pronouns we, they, these are used for plural nouns, that is, which are more than one in number. And pronoun you is used for both singular and plural nouns. For example, you can see it is an important game. You must play as a team. So you can be one boy or it can be more than one boy. So children, now let's do a small worksheet related to pronouns. Fill up the blanks using pronouns. My father is tall. So we will be using he instead of father. He catches the ball easily. I have a ball. It is small. A ball, it is the non-living thing. So we use it for all the non-living things. This rose is red. Again, we will be using it is beautiful. It for a rose. My father is a farmer. He works very hard. My mother is a teacher. She teaches English. Manu and I are friends. We play together. So we will be using we for Manu and I. So my dear children, I hope you understood about pronouns. We are going to practice more in the coming sessions. Thank you. Bye bye.